Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the essentials: a domain, SSL, and hosting that supports fast builds and staging. Once those are live, choose whether you want a CMS or static build. WordPress for quick edits next. JS for performance, reasons matter for scaling. Next, create your core content: a clear headline, 3 benefit statements, and an email capture workflow so you can convert visitors immediately. Make sure to provision a simple form and connect it to your mailing tool. This gets you measurable leads. You now assemble the page. Design a single page flow that leads users from hero to CTA with minimal friction. Once done, add social proof and an FAQ to reduce purchase hesitation. Use concise copy to keep attention. Make sure to integrate your email provider and set conversion events so you can measure every sign-up. Also implement UTM tags for ad tracking. Finally, optimize performance. Compress images, preload critical assets, and serve via one CDN to keep conversion rates high. You're ready to go live. Push the staging build to production, then run quick tests in a live sandbox to validate forms and payments. Once live, run a /B tests on CTA copy and price to improve conversion. Make small, data-driven changes rather than large rewrites. Monitor analytics and server logs. If signups fail, check form endpoints, CORS errors, webhook retries, and third-party rate limits. If payments hang, inspect payment gateway logs and retry logic. Fix those and relaunch confidently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.